Hello, my dear students. It's me, Roshan Thakur. Today we are going to learn more about sets. So, in previous videos, we solved some problem related to set. Today we are going to solve further about the problems of set. अब हामी फेरि पनि set को अरु पनि टाइप को क्वेशनहरु गर्न गइरहेछौं. So, in this type, percentage as well as number given. Previously we learned two types, when only number given, another when only percentage given. Okay, but in this case what we are going to learn, when both percentage as well as number given, how we can solve any problem. Okay, so let's see once. In a survey of some students, it was found that 45% of them like football, 60% like cricket, and 15% of them like none of the games. Means कुनै पनि मन पराउँदैन. So at first we should represent this in Venn diagram. First मा represent गर्नु पर्यो केमा अरे Venn diagram मा, and then we should find the total number of students that participated in the survey. So at first we should let football is denoted by A and cricket by B. यसलाई हामी F र C पनि गर्न सक्छौं, तर धेरैलाई AB को फर्मुला आएकोले A युनियन B अथवा AB को टर्ममा फर्मुला पढेकोले सजिलो होस् भनेर we just denoted these things by what? A and B. So it was found that 45% of them like football मन पराउने. So and A equals to 45. 60% like cricket. So and B equals to 60. 15% of them like none of the game. None of the game is complement. So when there is the negative sense, जब उल्टो कुरो आउँछ हैन, मन पराउने भयो, मन नपराउने आयो भने, at the time that is called complement. So this is called complement, and A union B, that is 15%. And U equals to total percentage. All of you know total percentage is always 100%. When nothing given, we should understand by our common sense that there should be 100%. What? Total number. So NU equals to 100%. So what we are going to represent the above information in Venn diagrams. So यसलाई represent गर्नु पर्यो केमा भन्दाखेरि Venn diagram मा. Venn diagram. So let all of you don't know the intersection, that is the common part to both. So we should assume this part as x. Like x assume गर्नु पर्यो. So x राखेको बिचमा. So capacity of this circle is A. भनेको A set को capacity कति छ? 45 छ. Out of that x came. So we should subtract this x. 45 minus x. यसमा पनि 60 छ. 60 minus x. Now remaining 55% is complement. Complement लाई हामी के गर्छौं? बाहिर राख्छौं. Now according to Venn diagram, this total should be universal set, means that should be 100%. यो total चाहिँ 100% हुन्छ. त्यो 100% राखेको. त्यसपछि हामीले के गर्यो भने यो सबैलाई एड गर्दा पनि 100 आउँछ. So this plus this plus this plus this यहाँ एड गरिदिएको छ. Now opening the bracket, so 45 minus x, यो x remains same, अरु सबै same छ. Now x cancel. What left now? 45 plus 60 plus 15, altogether 100. This is minus x. So minus comes this way, becomes what? Plus. All of you know side change then sign change. Now here is 100x, means plus 100x. It goes that side, becomes minus 100. So finally we got x equals to 20%. So this is the what? Common to A and B, means that is called intersection part. Why we calculated this? Because here what? Both games, means the number of students who like both games is given. So whatever one percentage given, number given, that we should find in percentage. J को number दिएको हुन्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी percent चाहिँ find गर्नु पर्यो, so that we can calculate what? Total number of students. So again we should let the number of participated students be y. We don't know because we are going to find out the participated number. So let it be what? Y. Now according to question, 20% is the what? Common part. means both those who like both the games is 20%. Again, number also given here 60. So this 20% should be equals to the number 60. So total number is your y. Now all of you know 20% of y should be equals to 60. 20% of y चाहिँ कति हुन्छ अरे 60 हुन्छ किनभने 20% भनेको पनि के हो इन्टरसेक्सन हो 60 भनेको पनि इन्टरसेक्सन हो यो पर्सेन्टमा दिएको छ यो नम्बरमा दिएको छ दुईटैलाई इक्वेट गर्नुपर्छ so 20% how to solve this 20 by 100 into y equals to 60 therefore y equals to cross multiplication गरिदिने solve गर्ने y को भ्यालु कति आउँछ 300 आउँछ so 300 is the what number of students who participated in the survey so in this way we completed this question so next we are going to learn next So next we are going to learn next type of question where only given. So previously we learned three types of now next type is where only given. जब only दिएको हुन्छ त्यो बेला हामी यस्तो टाइपले सल्भ गर्छौं. In a group of 60 students means all of you know NU equals to 60. 15 like math only means M not A. अब यो math लाई हामीले के डिनोट गरेछ A science लाई B. So math is denoted by A and science is denoted by what? B. So we can write only A equals to 15. 20 like science only. So N not B equals to 20. 5 did not like any of the subject. Did not like any of the subject means that is called complement. So complement equals to 5. Now what we are going to find out? How many like at least one subject? All of you know at least means this is called union. Both means intersection. So at least means yon A union B. Now we are going to find out yon A union B. And all of you know when universal set and complement given N A union B formula NU minus N A union B complement. Now NU value given here. What is the value of NU? 60. So here 60 and complement value also given here. What is the value of complement? Yon A union B complement means 15. No. A union B complement is 5, so 5. So 60 minus 5 equals to 55. So this is called what? At least one subject. That means A union B. Now next, what we are going to find out? How many like both? Both means intersection. So all of you know this formula N A union B equals to only A plus only B plus N intersection B. When there is only there should be plus. जब only हुन्छ त्यहाँ plus हुन्छ only भएन भने minus हुन्छ. पहिले फर्मुला पढिसकेछ हामीले so N A union B means already calculated here 55 so 55 only A means 15 only A means 15 only B means 20 here 20 now this we are going to find out so 15 plus 20 means 35 goes that side becomes minus this remains same 55 minus 35 means 20 so this is called what the number of students who like both मन पराउँछ next what we are going to find out how many like math in question what given only math given now we are going to find out math so NA means number of people who like math equals to only A plus intersection when we add intersection to the only part we will get what whole part of the particular set so NA equals to only A plus NA intersection B now only A given here what is the value of only A 15 next A intersection B also given A intersection B means already calculated I think 20 so 20 15 plus 20 means 35 so this is called the number of students who like math मन पराउने students then you know next how many like science similar way science पनि निकाल्न सकिन्छ NB equals to only B plus A intersection B only B given 20 intersection also 20 so 40 now finally what we are going to do we should represent this in Venn diagram. जति पनि कुरो आएको छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ Venn diagram मा represent गर्नु पर्छ. Represent the result in a Venn diagram. So this is the set A, this is B. Now A means this part is called only A. So only A is given here 15. So 15 intersection given. Where is the intersection? 20. So 20. Now only B also given 20. Now complement also given 5. Now you can check also whether your solution is wrong or right. So when we add all these things, you should get the what? Universal set 60. अब हेर त 60 हुन्छ कि हुँदैन 20 plus 20 40 40 plus 15 55 plus 5 60. It means our solution is correct. So in this way we can check also. So this is another type. Similarly we are going to solve next type. Similarly we are going to start next type. Next type मा के हुन्छ भने ratio दिएको हुन्छ. When the ratio of the two sets are given at a time, we should solve by this way. So in this question, in a group of students, the ratio of the number of students who liked music and sports is 9:7. यहाँ 9:7 को ratio भन्दै थियो. Number चाहिँ दिएको छैन, के गर्दियो भने ratio मा त्यसलाई दिएको छ. So when ratio given at a time, we should solve by this way. Out of which 25 liked both means intersection. 20 liked music only means N not M music. 15 liked none of the activities. 15 liked none of the activities. So let music is divided by A and sports by B. So NA equals to 9 years. 9 ratio given. So we should convert into ratio. Ratio like के गर्ने भने number मा convert गर्नलाई years लेख्नु पर्यो. years लेट गर्दैन 9 years. Similarly NB given, that is called 7x. NA intersection B given 25. Only A given 20. And N A union B complement given 15. So we should represent this one. Represent the above information in Venn diagram. Venn diagram मा represent गर्ने. Now how to represent? So intersection part लाई बिचमा राख्नु पर्छ. At first we should write the what? Common part, that is called 25. 25 यहाँ राखो, isn't it? Then NA given 9x. 9x मा 25 आइसक्यो. So 9x minus 25. Next NB given 7x. So 7x minus 25. This is called only B. अरु के बाँकी छ? Complement. So complement लाई हामीले के गर्यो बाहिर राख्दियो. Now we can apply formula. Only A equals to what? NA minus NA intersection B. Only A means 20, NA means 9x, A intersection B means 25. When you solve this, we will get what? X equals to 5. So now we got the value of what? X. X to value हामीले पायो. So now next what given here? 9x, NA given. So we can find out the value of what? NA. By substituting the value of x, so 9x means 9 into 5, 45. NB equals to 7x means 7 into 5, 35. Now what we are going to find next is what? Total number of students in a group. Total number means that is called universal set, U. So NU equals to NA union B plus NA union B complement, all of you in this formula. Now what is the formula of NA union B? NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. This remains same. Now we are going to substitute the value. So NA equals to 45, NB equals to 35, intersection means 25, this complement means 5. When you solve this, we will get what? 70. So hence the what? Total number of students equals to 70. This is the total number of students. So in this way we finally completed next type. And this is all about what? Set.